How to disable Send to News video placement in WCM. Here's what we'll cover in this video. When Send to News video playlists are auto-placed in articles, when Send to News players are not placed in articles, and I'll show you how to disable these auto placements at the site level, the section level, and the article level. There are certain criteria that have to be met in order for these videos to show up. These video playlists will be targeted towards sports categories. Also, if you've manually placed a video in the article already, these videos won't show up. Now I'll show you how to enable and disable these auto placements at the site level. We'll start off with this example, where there's a Send to News video playlist already added to the article layout in Inline Zone A. Here you can see the video player is about the third or fourth paragraph down the article. Now let's go in and edit the site setting and turn this feature on. We'll start out by going to the WCM back office and searching for type:"site". This simple search will give us a list of all the sites in WCM. We're going to select San Francisco Chronicle for this particular video. Once you're inside the site, the first thing you'll need to do is click the Unlock button so you can make edits. Now let's scroll down just a bit until we see the Send to News setting. We'll check this setting and go ahead and publish our changes. At this point, you shouldn't notice anything different. This just makes the feature active, and now we need to begin targeting sections. And now the next thing we need to do is enable this feature on a section. Since this article belongs into the Giant section, we'll use the Giant section for our demo. Go ahead and open the section, then click the Unlock button. Now we'll need to scroll down just a bit and stop when you see the Enable Send to News checkbox. Go ahead and check this option, then publish your changes. Now let's go take a look at the article and see what's changed. What you should notice is that the Send to News player is now moved to the top of the article rather than the middle. I'll go ahead and refresh this article so we can see the changes. Now you can see that the player is at the top of the article instead of the middle. You'll also notice that if we scroll down just a little bit, we'll see the slideshow that was previously at the top has now moved to the middle of the article. And now all articles that meet this criteria in this section will now appear with the Send to News playlist at the top rather than the middle. But maybe you don't want this feature on your article. It's not a good fit, whatever. I'll show you how to disable this feature at the article level. We'll start by going into the article, click the Start Session button. This will actually enable us to make changes. If you're not already there, go ahead and click on the Media tab. And if it's not expanded already, expand the Meta Content tab. Now go ahead and look for the Send to News checkbox. Click this setting and go back up and publish the article. Now once again, we'll go back out to our article, refresh, and just make sure the changes are applied. What we should see after we refresh the page is that the Send to News player should return back to the middle of the article, and the gallery that got moved before should be back up to the top. And that's it. And now to wrap things up, this feature was designed to target sports categories where there's no video already. But as I've shown you in this video, you can override this feature at the article level and at the section level.